How to take a screenshot on your PC or your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on your PC or your laptop. So there are basically two ways on how you can take a screenshot quickly and easily. So we will talk about both of them in this video. So the first one is there on your keyboard you will see a key named PRTSC. So in order to take a screenshot, you'll have to hold on Windows and then click on print screen. That way it will take a screenshot on your device. And the second method is simply you'll have to press three keys at once. The three keys are Windows Shift S. So if you tap on all these three keys, your page will look somewhat like this and your cursor will turn into a plus icon. So you'll simply have to select your entire screen just like this. That way you will have successfully taken a screenshot. Now to view where all of your screenshots are, simply go to this PC. After that, go to pictures and there you'll see a folder named screenshots. So simply click on it. And now, as you can see, this is the screenshot we just took. So those were the two basic ways on how you can take a screenshot on your PC. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.